Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on creating parameterized methods in Java. So, as part of solving this assignment, you need to write a Java program for demonstrating how to create separate parameterized methods for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing two numbers. This is what is the assignment you have to do. In the previous sessions, already have explained how to create the parameterized methods, that is single parameterized methods and multiple parameterized methods. Now using that knowledge, you need to write a Java program where you need to write the Java program for creating, okay, by creating separate parameterized methods for adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing two numbers. So you can pause this video for a while and you can resume this video once you have solved this or once you have written this Java program. Assuming that you have passed the video and you have solved the Java program by yourself, now you can resume this video and you can see the solution. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the solution for you. You can compare or cross check your code with my code to see whether you are on the same page. Okay, fine. So this is the solution for this assignment. Okay, so let me give the solution for this assignment. I'll just create a new class. I'll just name this as demo F or something. It's okay, you can give any name. I'll just select this main method. Main method will get auto-generated, and inside this main method, okay, I'm not writing anything for now. And in parallel to this main method, I'm going to create other method, public static void add, okay, add, simple add. You can give any name here. I'm just giving add here, okay. You can give add numbers or whatever you want to give, you can give, okay. So here I'm saying int a comma int b, and here I'm writing the code int sum is equal to a plus b. Here I'm writing system.out.println sum of, okay, sum of plus a and plus b is plus sum. This is what I want to print. Okay, the sum of a and b is plus sum. Now I'm going to create one more method. Okay, this is for addition. Similar method, I'll copy paste here otherwise. Okay, subtract, subtract, subtract again int a comma int b. Okay, you can give two variables. Here sub is equal to a minus b, I'll say a minus b, and here subtraction of a and b is sum. This is also done. Next one, I'll copy paste this one. Multiply. Okay, multiply. Again, two variables I'm giving. Here, mul I'm giving, just short form. You can give anything. A into b. Multiplication of a and b is mul. Done. Next one. Next one is public static void main, void divide, int a comma int b, and here int div is equal to short form give a divided by b. The result of a divided by b will store into div. Now system.out.println division of plus a and plus b is plus div. Now we have four methods here. I'm going to call these four methods add. Just say 9 comma 5. Then subtract, subtract. You can give anything, guys, okay? 6 comma 2. Then I'm calling multiply method 4 comma 3. Then divide method, I'm calling this divide method, two parameters are there. Divide, okay, 8 comma 5. Done. So if I call this 9 plus 5, 14 should be printed here, okay? The sum of 9 and 5 is 14 should be printed when I'm calling this method. Another parameterized method I created for subtraction of 6 and 2 is 6 minus 2, that is 4 should be printed here. Multiply method will be called Multiplication of 4 and 3 is 12 will be printed here. Division, here 8 and 5 are the division of 8 and 5 is how many times 5 can divide 8? Only one time. So only one will be printed here. Let's run this code and see what is output. 9 and 5, 14. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. 8 will be divided by 5 only one time. Okay. So this is a solution, guys. Okay, this is a solution for the assignment. So if you have written almost similar to this my code, then you are good to go, guys. Okay. So hope guys you have done the assignment properly and you have cross-checked your code with my code to see whether you are on the same page. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.